remarks from the chairperson of the South Sudan Youth Organization Coalition and campaign. We're very grateful to have you. At this juncture, I'm going to invite Ruth James. She's a young, amazing woman that is doing great. You will hear from her as part of the celebration of today's event. Kindly welcome both.
You can see people are having feelings. There's no, I don't know what's happening. I think people should be like, huh? Happy, huh? I wish if I can leave this and go. Thank you. I'm so honored, and I thank you, God, of making this day a beautiful day for the special women that were created by God Himself with His hands, took His time, and the men and women of this world decided that this day will be that day for those special people. So I'm so happy to be here, seeing all of you, and to say it's a beautiful day. I will give thanks to our president, the president of this country, because if it's not because of him, I think we'll not be standing here. There'll be chaos and everything. Again, I'll give thanks to all the women that have paved ways to make sure that we are here today, because we are following their footsteps. And to those, these amazing young men around here, you can see, I've seen a tie. Immediately I arrived, I've seen tie with same colors. There's black, but there's white and streaks and purple. It represents something very important. I don't know if to them it's meant something, but to women like us, it's mean a lot. The shirt, their tie, no jacket, they're standing with others. That's something that is very, very special to them. They could have put on this t-shirt that you're putting on, but they are representing something. And thank you so much for making this day special. I am Ruth James, entrepreneur. I am a human rights activist, women activist. All in all, I'm a South Sudanese and I love this country. This is my birthday month. I will turn 28 on 29th of this month. So it's mean a lot. I came with very beautiful young women. I think you have seen them when I was coming in. Thank you so much for doing amazing things, my beautiful girls. I would say like this. Now I'll start my speech. I was just making sure you have the energy that I need. First of all, thank you so much for recognizing people with disability. That is something that means a lot to South Sudan Youth Coalition. I am proud of you by seeing everybody is represented in the room, and this is what we need. Second is, who is a woman? Huh? Who is a woman? A woman is someone who wakes up in the morning. Honorable, you're highly welcome. You can see from walking the way they walk. Huh? A woman is somebody, when they're suffering, they don't open their mouth, they just do the work. A woman is someone that have made these men that we are saying they're tying their tie be who they are. A woman is somebody, when they are around, you feel their presence. A woman is an endurer, a champion, a mother, a wife, a sister, and a beautiful, peaceful human being. We are talking about embracing equality, we are talking about digitality, we are talking about several things. Women fear things to do with ITC. This is what everybody believes, that women we fear things to do with digital. When it's about internet, everybody wants to run away. It's not like that. We have inventors who have invented. The woman that is behind Zoom, are you aware? The person who is behind Zoom is a woman. She feels I need to communicate to my children. I need to communicate to my husband. I need to communicate to the people that I love. And Corona said, you cannot. And she said, no. I must communicate. And Zoom, now you can see somebody. It became something big. And it was a woman who was behind it. In the history of South Sudan, a lot of people, men will be like, what did you do as women? Who was cooking those foods when they were running around and shooting each other? Who was bringing them water? It's women. I want to respect the women that are in the all 10 states, that are in those bomas, in those villages. A woman who have never seen a microphone. A woman who have never seen a phone. A woman who have never enjoyed a life of modern life. A woman who just know that I'm here to give birth, cook for my husband, wash the clothes, and I'm being stepped on, and then I'm done bad, I should relax. I'm speaking to that woman. I'm speaking to that woman that is being caned like a dog. I'm speaking to that woman that is being caned like a donkey. I'm speaking to that woman that is giving you children, giving you a generation, and you still stepped on their toes. You still slap them. You still beat them. I'm speaking to those women. I'm remembering the women that have survived with gender-based violence. I'm remembering the women that have died during childbirth. I am remembering those women that were detained because they're fighting for the right of women. I am remembering those women that paved a way for us because it started long. If it's not because of them, we will not be standing in front of men today and we talk. I am remembering those women that men are saying that they cannot eat chicken because it's a taboo. I remember those women that cannot eat a head of a fish because people believe it's meant for men. One of the things that I like telling women is, when you look at me, nobody expected like Ruth will come like this. Did anyone expect that Ruth will come dressed like this? Nobody. And can anybody tell me why I came dressed like this? Can any? Please. It's very important. Why?
Yeah, I can say because based on this day, we call it Women Friday. So it's not you to wear anything. You can come with shorts.
I like that. Yes. It's freedom. This is the day that we have been given. You can do crazy things, but good ones, not bad things. I came like this because people believe that a woman should just come dressed, please men. But I want men to please us today. This is why I came like this. Very funny. I don't even care as if, I don't know. People don't even believe. I was in another function this morning and people were like, what is happening? Are you okay? Some text messages came to my phone and they were like, where did you sleep? I slept in my house. This day we have spent all those days putting makeups. You see? To please who? Why did you put makeups today? To please yourself or to please who? I want to tell you one thing. Don't do something because you want to please somebody. Go without makeup. If he doesn't like you, let him go. And another secret is, I don't know if it's true, but men don't like makeups. This is the secret. If your boyfriend ran away from you, if your husband is cheating, it's because of those too much makeup that you're putting. The skin we are having is so beautiful that it's shine. And you cannot do what? You don't need to put anything except just to make it oil it with something, and there's this feeling that you can only get when you have it. So don't put too much makeup. If it's making you happy, but not to please anyone. The things that are making women not to grow big, it's because of jealousy. You hate me, you like me, it's true. It's not men that are making women not to progress. It's women themselves. When you see your sister going up, you put them down. Who do you think you are? You want your mother to start saying, oh, I did not make it, then you are the special one? No. Let's start celebrating each other. Buy a flower today for your sister. Like, you know what? Happy Women's Day, Mama. Happy Women's Day, my beautiful sister. That thing is bigger than the iPhone 14 that everybody is crazing about. It's bigger than, by the way, when I was in school, they used to say, work hard. Because these phones that you're traveling around, they'll be beautiful one. I didn't know iPhone 14 will come, but my teacher told me iPhone 14 will come. My teacher told me work hard because there are more beautiful, handsome men, rich ones that are waiting for you when you work hard. Looking for South Sudan women that will walk to the market, buy a car for the husband in Dendit car store. We're expecting for women that will be buying aeroplanes and say, you know what, my beautiful or handsome husband, that thing is for you. I'm expecting South Sudanese women, because these women, they're not just women. The resilience that this country have, the resilience that these women of this country have, I salute you, my women. It's not easy. I was a refugee, so I felt what you felt. I was in a level whereby they used to make for us clothes and the pants. The same pants I'm wearing is the same pants everybody is wearing. Uniform. When I was in the refugee camps. But now, can anything show that one day I was a refugee or what? There is, because the resilience I had, those challenges made me who I am today. My beautiful women, my men of this country, it is South Sudan Youth Coalition. It's not South Sudan Elder Coalition. It's not South Sudan Women Coalition. It's South Sudan Youth Coalition. And 65% of this country, they are youth, including Honorable. She's a youth. And you know what that means? That we need to back her up because she's a youth. And you check the weaknesses that she has, or whoever is in leader have, and you back them up. You empower them using those weaknesses. You don't bring them down. In this country, they're using social media in a bad way. When you take away my boyfriend, I say, okay, I look for another brother, comes and you take a video, and then I put on social media. Then they'll be like, so-and-so is useless. I want you to be aware, when you're doing something, there's so many videos that are moving around, so many pictures that are moving around. Be very careful. When you reach to a hotel and you want to do the enjoy, check at the door. Check within the room. Close the lights. great woman, when you want to be a leader, people are working hard to bring you down. It's you to protect yourself. And when your husband realizes you have a video, he will not care to understand you how it started, because men don't work like that. I am finished by saying this. Celebrate a sister in everything that you do. Learn to speak out in those challenges that you're having. When you keep quiet, nobody will help you. Come out, tell whoever you trust the challenges you're going through. It will help you. Don't step on your sister's success, because even your success will stand. I am proud South Sudanese. I am a woman who doesn't want a legacy to be in rich or resources. I want my legacy to be in people's lives. And being in people's lives, you uplift a sister. Talk to a sister to bring the lion that is in their hearts out to build this nation. Nobody will come. No Kawajan will come. No Kenyans will come. No Ugandans will come. Not American will come to build South Sudan. It's South Sudanese daughters to build South Sudan. I love you all. And have a beautiful Women's Day. Thank you so much to South Sudan Youth Coalition for giving me this chance. And I love you.
That was very powerful. Please, in a very special way. I want to teach you something on how we can appreciate that thing. I'm going to count 3 and then you follow me, okay? We're doing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Louder, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. That was indeed very powerful. And even myself, I was moved. Thank you very much. This is what we wanted this morning. And more people to come. You will hear